Aditya, sir, Aditya.
डन 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 अब आपके बंदे अंदर ही लगा लें
चलो अंदर.
Shazia, Shlok, you can come up as well. And Vinod sir, आप भी आ जाइए. या थोड़ी तालियां बजा दो यार, come on.
Hi everyone. I hope you all like the song.
All right, so Dhwani, हमने गाना देखा, and obviously the chemistry is amazing. You guys look amazing on stage, on the screen, and आपका screen presence बहुत कमाल का है. सबसे पहले Dhwani, I would like to ask you, what has been the journey for Mera Yaar? What do you feel about the song, and what are your thoughts?
Mera Yaar, I think, is a very, very special song. Also, it's as I was writing it, like I had the beat on, and then I started to think about this one crush that I had on a boy, my dad's. And then I wrote about it, and it was like, डूब गई मैं तुझ में आके तेरी बातों में दिल मेरा माने ना पिया. I see you looking at me, छोड़ दे बहाने देना, आजा बन जा मेरा यार. Because when you say आजा बन जा मेरा यार, it's I think the most decent thing you can tell a person if you like them, to start it off.
Keeping it
Coming
simple.
from a girl, definitely.
Aja banja mera yaar
should be the only thing that a girl needs to say to a guy.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. And Aditya, tell me your experience shooting the music video. यार आप लोग ने पानी के अंदर अंदर shoot किया है. I'm sure it must be very, very challenging for you all. मतलब the choreographers are already laughing and they have something to share.
Because they know what all
What we
we
went
went through. So basically, I'll tell you the entire thing. So Vinod sir had first approached me. Our association is a very long one, and sir का phone आया था कि गाना कर रहे हैं, and you know Dhwani. I said, sir, आपकी बेटी ना? बोला हाँ हाँ बेटी ठीक है मेरी, but she's a singer. I said, of course I know who you're talking about, sir. So there's a song and Piyush and Shazia are doing it. I said, of course I know them also very, very well. So they came home, हमने गाना वाना सुना. Instantly I said, yes, let's do it. Then he shared the concept and I was blown. I said, yeah, this is something very unique. We haven't seen something like this before. And I just didn't realize that it would be, especially the water sequence, would be as challenging as it was. Yeah. Okay, there were no doors to it. It couldn't open. The only way you could get in was there were partly पे बैठो. There were 3-4 guys who would be pulling you up and lowering you into the water. And I'm scared of heights, तो वो थोड़ा problem था. And then the water kept going higher and higher and higher. And then there were some other challenges.
This guy was shivering inside the water.
Yeah.
He said, "Dude,
I can't take the
I
cold."
can't sing anymore."
Yeah. Sir, वो secret है, वो बोलना नहीं होता है, sir.
But you can see it.
No, but I must tell you that there is a scene in that shot where you're going so seamlessly under the water without any struggle or anything of that sort.
Yeah, after 5-6 hours of being inside the water continuously, ये आदत पड़ जाती है आपको. You become Aquaman by the end of it.
Okay, I think I need to ask the choreographer and directors, Piyush and Shazia, tell us about the experience shooting this crazy music video.
I mean, when we heard the scratch, what Dhwani came up with the first time in our studio,
Yeah, it had nothing. Like
it had nothing
yeah,
that
just
time.
had the
But
beat.
it got us so excited that Shazia and I, we were like, dude, this song will be done by us only. You have to give it to us. Because it's a very young vibe. It's a very, edgy song. And, it's same time, it's very groovy. So there was something that we were totally connected with. So we wanted to do that. And then when the concept came in, so we shared it with Vinod sir and Dhwani and Aditya as well. And then, I mean, it was very difficult.
It was expensive,
yeah.
but it was okay.
Yes. It was very. This is very difficult. Very difficult. Yes. Very difficult creatives because the technicalities was you don't know about it how it's gonna react because there was this cube and the thick glass and water is going to fill up. The mirror can break also, so it's very risky. So we had to.
Mirror can break, clothes can leave color into the water. All of that happened for us.
That is just me.
Rest
not my
Shaza,
fault.
rest Shaza will tell you.
So firstly, Piyush has said much of it, but most of it actually. But we were so pumped when we heard the track. Firstly, directors को मजा तब आता है जब गाना इतना solid होता है. So Dhwani, superb, Shlok.
Yeah, it wouldn't have been
Abhijit,
possible without
everybody.
Shlok and Abhijit.
Yeah, and then once we got in Aditya and Dhwani, they were starring in the video. हमें sure था ये सारी चीजें जो आप देख रहे हो is only because of these actors. हम तो मतलब उनको सिर्फ ला के दे सकते हैं चीजें. At the end, these are the guys who are there up there. So go like just clap for them, yeah guys. Clap for them. Yeah.
उनको पानी में डुबा दिया आपने, डूबने के लिए छोड़ दिया.
As it is, the lines are.
डूब गई मैं तुझ में आके तेरी बाहों में.
Yeah, so उनको डुबा ही दिया
आके
हमने.
तेरी बातों में आप कैसे भूल सकते हो? Yeah, but this song wouldn't have been what it is without Abhijit and Shlok. I think we were at it. I think for whole 2 days in that room at Abhijit's house, figuring out the words and the whole structure. And I think it was God sent. It just started flowing, and I think this is the best partnership, and I want to do more songs with them because it's so easy to work with them, and they come out with the best ideas to and make me look good.
Amazing. So why don't Shlok you take the mic if you can. Yes, thank you. So Shlok, आप इसके पहले भी ध्वनि के साथ काम कर चुके हैं, and how is the नहीं? This is the first time you guys are collaborating, right? So how is it working with her? Like songwriting पे बैठना, structure बनाना गाने का जैसे ध्वनि कह रही थी कि how is the process?
I worked with Abhijit before, and he got me on board for the song. And the best thing that can happen to a lyricist is if the person who's or the singer who's coming to sing has an idea in her head, and she had already penned it down. So for me, it was like mostly fill in the blanks. So and we had a lot of like to's and fro's, and we would say like this is working, this is not working. So it was a really good session. Like both the sessions when
Were really
yeah,
smooth.
three of us were like just going on
We would
doing
come
it
out
quickly.
of it like really happy because we had progressed in the song.
Yeah.
And both the days we had completed the song. I think the scratch I made you here, and then the next day we had the final version.
It was in a hurry.
Yeah.
No, but the good part is that whenever songs come to a lyricist, it's always at the last moment, it's always in a hurry. But to see it getting turned around so quickly, that is when you feel, कि हाँ, चलो ठीक है, that rush was worth it.
Absolutely.
And it has come out really well, really well. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you.
Amazing, amazing. I would like to talk to Mr. Vinod as well. Sir, आप जब भी कोई गाना इनका निकालते हैं तो बहुत ज़बरदस्त होता है. मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि हम एक छोटी फिल्म देख रहे हैं. It's as big as a film song. आपके दिमाग में क्या होता है that जब मैं कोई गाना रिलीज करूँगा, this is what reaction you want from the audience. What is your thought process as a producer, as a presenter?
एक्चुअली इसके ऊपर है ना, दो लोग काम करते हैं, एक बाप है और एक मार्केटिंग वाला आदमी है. एंड तो होता ये कि whenever she thinks कि ये डैड ये गान, so there are so many songs I have said ध्वनि ये मत कर, because at that time I think that अगर ये गाना रिलीज होगा और अगर अच्छा नहीं लगेगा लोगों को तो उस पर मेहनत नहीं करनी चाहिए. पर जब उसने मेरा यार लिखा था खुद लिरिक्स, एंड he said that I have composed also, I said this is a very big responsibility also, that जो नॉर्मली पॉप स्टार्स करते हैं यहाँ नहीं करते, लेकिन यहाँ कम करते हैं प्रॉब्लम. आउटसाइड नहीं, मतलब मैं इसको बोलता हूँ तुझे दुआ लिपा बनना है इंडिया का. सो ऐसा तुझे वो करना पड़ेगा जो एक बेंचमार्क भी सेट करना चाहिए. सारे लोग यहाँ मेहनत करते हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं, बट उस एज पे ये करना. शी वाज when she wrote her first song she was 16 years. अभी तक वो गाना रिलीज नहीं हुआ है, वो 2023 में होगा.
Fantastic. चलो अच्छा है. एक announcement already कर दी सर ने यहाँ पे.
So and that entire team also, it's, as I said, it's not only me and but the entire team who is fond of Dhwani. And जब पीयूष राजे आए थे तो उन्होंने जब ये मेरे को सॉन्ग का कॉन्सेप्ट बताया, तो मेरा पहले इनका क्वेश्चन था कि ये टैंक तो बना रहे हो, वेयर इज द सिक्योरिटी, मतलब अंदर कुछ हो गया तो इन दोनों को. आई थिंक 5 दिन तो हम लोगों ने वो टैंक बनाने में स्टफन ग्लासेस वगैरह जो करने थे वो सब कर रहे हैं. सो दैट्स रीजन तो अभी वो दिख रहा है. सो व्हेन एक्चुअली आर्टिस्ट जैसे आदित्य को मैंने फ़ोन किया था, आई वाज इन खंडाला सडनली दैट कॉल वेंट टू हिम. आई सेड या बॉस देखिए ये है, तो अगर जानता है तो करना. उसने नहीं, मैं फ़ोन करता हूँ तो अगर ध्वनि एंड देन ही सेड, एंड ही वाज गुड एनफ दैट ही सेड नहीं सर अब मेरे को मालूम है ध्वनि कौन है और आप भेज दीजिए. बट ही वाज ट्रू टू हिम. एंड आज ये आई मीन दिस आर द यंग गाइज, आप लोग के थॉट्स होते हैं, एंड व्हेन इट कम्स ऑन टू स्क्रीन अभी दिख रहा है. सो आई थिंक या.
Also, what would you like to say about Dhwani's success? Because अब जो गाने ध्वनि रिलीज कर रही है वो अपने खुद के YouTube चैनल पे कर रही है, और अपने गाने इंडिपेंडेंटली रिलीज करना और उसको इतनी पॉपुलैरिटी मिलना एक बहुत बड़ी बात है किसी भी आर्टिस्ट के लिए हमारे देश में.
एक्चुअली क्या हो रहा है कि अगर आप लोगों में से किसी को गाना सुनना है या देखना है तो आप क्या करते हो, आप गूगल पे जाते हो या यूट्यूब पे जाके सर्च करते हो, तो गाना या नाम लिखते हो आर्टिस्ट का या गाने का नाम लिखते हो. यू डोंट राइट अ फला फला लेबल और समबडी. तो ध्वनि के चैनल पे हम लोग ने जब गाना डाला था तो 2.3 मिलियन थे, अभी वो 2.7 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर बेस हुआ है. बट उस बेस पे 54 मिलियन, आई थिंक 55 मिलियन हो गया होगा अभी व्यूज़ मेहंदी का. दैट्स व्हाट गिव अस आल्सो कॉन्फिडेंस कि वो पहला हम डरे हुए थे कि यार ध्वनि पहला सीधा 2 मिलियन मतलब कैसे करेंगे. बट आई थिंक अब ये गाने पे वी आर कॉन्फिडेंट दैट जो लोग सारे एल्गोरिथम्स और वो हमारे पास में डेटा आता है और उसको एनालिसिस करते हैं कि किस तरह से लोगों के कंज्यूमिंग हैबिट्स होते हैं, तो हमको करना क्या चाहिए. प्लेसमेंट होनी चाहिए, रीच होनी चाहिए. रेस्ट अगर आपके पास में गाना और वीडियो अच्छा है, जो मेरे हिसाब से अच्छा है, तो काम हो जाएगा.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for being on stage, guys. Dhwani, would you like to take some questions from the media, if that's okay?
For sure, sir. I can't hear him.
Mic
You'll
on.
have to switch it on.
You're not supposed to talk about you know what.
That his house is 2 degrees.
No, not
Wait,
here, guys,
sorry,
not
yeah.
here. Okay, congratulations to the entire team. The song looks fab. It's damn stylized.
Okay, and I have to ask you this, Dhwani, that you know you've written the song.
Uh-huh.
Where was the seed? Like, when did you know that, hey, you know what, I can start writing now? This is it.
I feel like, you know, in life also I used to just write about things that I felt. Like I have a book that I write things in. So for me, then it became, over the years, then you start building that thing. कि अच्छा now it forms like a whole thing, you know. And then as I started getting better at, learning music, and I started playing the piano, it got easier for me to sort of stitch a melody onto the words that I had written. So, and anyway, I like write about my life. So it's not like it's hard, but you know, I always have to take approvals because I'm like a really scared person. I would just write something and wait for like ages to like tell someone about it. So, but again, it's right from my heart and my life. So you know, it flows.
That would be an
Perfect.
interesting book to read, I can assure you
For
that.
sure, for sure.
And you should have seen her reaction as soon as she said, there's a book that I write, and I write everything. She just looked at her father right that
I
time.
think we should publish that book now.
But you're not going to get any names, dude, if you're looking for that.
हाय ध्वनि, सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस आप सभी को. ये गाना ऑलरेडी मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है.
सही.
शुरू की
Thank
दो
you
तीन
so
लाइन,
much.
दैट ट्यून इज ऑसम एंड आई जस्ट लव्ड इट.
Thank you.
ध्वनि, आज एक सीक्रेट बता दो, कितने गाने अब तक लिख कर रखे हुए हैं और डायरी में कितने कॉन्सेप्ट्स लिख कर रखे हुए हैं, उसमें से कितने अपने पापा को बताए हैं और कितने अब तक आपके खजाने में बाकी हैं?
बहुत सारे बताए हैं, बहुत सारे रिजेक्ट भी हुए हैं अभी, बट थोड़े और बचे हैं और आगे भी मैं लिखती रहूँगी जब तक मैं मुझे एक अच्छा सा मेरा यार जैसा वापस कुछ नहीं मिल जाए. I'll keep writing and as you grow I think आपके दिमाग में चीज़ें आती रहती है और स्टोरीज बनती रहती है, तो वो खजाना और बढ़ेगा.
धोनी, एक सीक्रेट और मैं जानना चाहूँगा
हाँ जी सर.
कि विनोद को हमने एज ए मार्केटिंग एज अ मतलब मीडिया में जिस तरह से हम जानते हैं,
हाँ जी.
आप ज़रा रोशनी डालिए कि ये क्रिएटिव कितने हैं और कितने गाने या फिल्मों के थीम या आपके जो सीन्स होते हैं आपके वीडियोस में और आपके साथ बैठ के आपको कितना बताते हैं.
सर आई थिंक मेरे डैड की इंसाइट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. वो जब भी कुछ भी कहते हैं आई थिंक इट्स ऑलवेज राइट. आई हैव सीन दैट. और मैं कभी कभी उनकी सुनती नहीं हूँ जो गलत है बट आई थिंक मुझे उनकी ज़्यादा सुननी चाहिए बिकॉज जब भी वो कोई भी क्रिएटिव इनपुट देते हैं आई थिंक इट्स ऑलवेज टू मेक द सॉन्ग बेटर. लाइक इन मेरा यार मैंने पूरा हुक तक का सेक्शन लिखा था. सो उन्होंने कहा, और तभी व्हेनेवर यू राइट समथिंग आपको उससे प्यार हो जाता है, वो इट्स अ थिंग. तो ही सेड नहीं, यू गेट श्लोक ऑन बोर्ड and you get Abhijit on board to advise you and to, because it's your first composition, you should have people जो आपको correctly पूरा structure में help करे, and that's what we did and that's how it looks like this.
ये कोई गाना लिखने वाले हैं आपके लिए? नहीं.
ये भी लिखते हैं सर, आपको भी इनकी डायरी पढ़नी चाहिए.
इसीलिए मैंने पूछा. थैंक यू.
आदित्य, आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि विनोद ने आपको कॉल करके कहा कि आप ध्वनि को जानते हो या नहीं. तब तक आपने ध्वनि के गाने सुने होंगे क्योंकि ध्वनि को सभी लोग जान गए हैं. ध्वनि के साथ काम करके उसकी आवाज़ के बारे में, उसकी स्टाइल के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? और आप भी, अगर ध्वनि आप भी आदित्य के बारे में,
Of
दोनों
course.
जान.
So, of course, I know everybody knows about Dhwani and n number of songs she's done and fantastic songs she's done. So, but हुआ ये था जब मैंने गाना पहली बार सुना तो I thought it was fantastic. Firstly, Piyush and Shazia came home, उन्होंने गाना वाना सुना. I thought I was blown away. मुझे ये नहीं पता था that she had composed it. And quite frankly, मुझे आज मालूम पड़ा she had written it also. उसके पहले मुझे पता भी नहीं था that she had written it. I had no idea, quite frankly. When we were in the tank, I remember this, and she started singing. And I thought, there are a lot of artists that are making use of technology, auto-tune, ye wo, and they sound good. But the first time I heard her sing, especially in water, thand lag rahi hai hame, I was blown away because एक तो हम अंदर थे, it was echoing in my ears. It was beautiful, and I became a huge fan. I became a massive fan.
That is so sweet to say, Adi. About Aditya, I just want to say that he is so cooperative. He's spent about 10 years in the industry, and I wouldn't expect him to be so easy to work with. And so, like, you know, he's a very nice person. Everything was so, like, he didn't say no for nothing. He was, like, always there, and he made my performance better because, of course, he's a much better actor. So I think he made me look good, and he made the song look good, and I'm forever thankful.
Thank you.
Okay,
And
Dhwani and
मैंने पैसे नहीं दिए इस चीज के लिए, हाँ?
नहीं
It was straight from the heart.
ये free था.
okay, Dhwani and Aditya, I have a question. ये पानी के अंदर आप लोग ये poses और ये मुस्कुराते कैसे हो यार?
Yeah, I think he has done a fab job. वो नीचे जाके smile कर रहा है. I'm like, how do you do that? So you should ask him this question.
क्या secret है?
I think, you know, Vinod sir was also there. The amount of effort people have taken to make this happen, you know, सबकी energies आपके अंदर आ जाती है. If you see what people have done to make this happen, it's madness. So you अंदर से खुशी होती है. You want to deliver. You want to give your best. Then इसके immediately बाद we were in front of a fire also. मतलब सूखे बाहर आए, फिर fire sequence कर रहे हैं हम रात को जो beginning का sequence था. So we've done it all, and it's just because of the energy that the team has brought, that Vinod sir has brought. Nothing else.
Amazing. Okay, on that note, can we just play some bit of a song, and can you guys do a little bit of
The hook step?
please do that. That's what I was asking. Thank you.
विनोद सर करेंगे, हाँ? सर को आता है अच्छे से.
By the way, I have to mention this, that Vinod sir, you are absolutely entertaining on Dhwani's Insta story. I love to watch that. Like, you are so entertaining. मेरे को लगता है I think Dhwani in the next music video you should get him like a cameo.